In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to generate short poems for free. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. PoetGPT generates a poem using OpenAI's ChatGPT API. It generates a rhyming short poem and also has a critic feature. That means after the poem generation, you can provide feedback on the poem to guide the app to regenerate it after fixing a few things. Using it is very simple. You can use it with or without signing up for an account. On the main website, you only need to enter a prompt. You basically have to specify what kind of poem you want to generate. After entering the prompt, click on the Generate button. It will now take a few seconds, and then it will show you the finally generated poem. You can just copy it to the clipboard and then use it wherever you want. If you didn't like the poem that it generated for you, then you can regenerate it as well. In the critic section, you specify what you want to fix about the final poem. Click Rewrite, and then it will generate the poem again with the modifications that you have specified. This way, you can now use ChatGPT to generate poems using AI. Feel free to explore other amazing tech videos on our channel. And don't forget to leave your comments and questions on them.